how to turn on do not disturb mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on focus. Now over here you will see a do not disturb option, so tap on this option. And to turn on do not disturb, first you have to set up the do not disturb. So you can add people to show or hide the notifications from that person, and you can also select apps to receive notifications from, and then you have to choose the lock screen wallpaper in do not disturb, and you can also choose a different home screen wallpaper in do not disturb mode. You can also add a schedule time to turn on or off do not disturb. So from here you can set the start time, and then from here you can set the end time, and then you can select days to turn on or off do not disturb, and after that tap on done. And here you can add filters to do not disturb, and then do not disturb will be enabled. So you can see now do not disturb is on. So that's how you can turn on do not disturb on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.